Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we're going to make a little wreath inspired by a painting, Portrait of Eleanor by Angelica Kauffmann. As a lot of you might already know, we're expecting a little girl in June, might even be born when we release this tutorial. So I'm making this little wreath for her coming. Obviously, this tutorial is also very suitable for all occasions, like bridal, birthday, or just holiday. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our latest tutorials. If you like what we're doing, you can also join our not-so-secretive community on Patreon to get your monthly templates. Link in description. Today I've invited my little girl first soft toy, Giraffe, to try it on her behalf. I was surprised the wreath fits on Giraffe so well. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our latest tutorials. And all of our DIY kits, templates are all available on our website. Check them out. See you guys next time.